Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Xposed in your Android 8.2. Of course you know the prerequisite that you must have Magisk installed already. If you haven't, then do it. And this is my broken old Moto E5, and you'll be needing these three files. You can download it from the description box. And it is pretty much worth knowing that if you have Android 8.2, then you will be needing EdXposed manager, which is quite analogous to Xposed and works the same. And if you have below Android 8.0, then you will be needing Xposed, and if you have above Android 8.0, then you will be needing EdXposed. Now let's do it then. Go to the Magisk, go to modules and install from storage. Let's install it. We'll be installing this Magisk EdXposed first. And it's asking for reboot. Let's reboot our device. After the phone has completed rebooting, we'll be installing another file using the Magisk, which is this one. Open the Magisk and make sure that you have Magisk No. Let's go to another file, install it from the storage. Let's find it, and this is the file. Let's reboot our device again. The device is successfully rebooted, and if you're hearing a ticking sound at the background, it's a reminder that we are getting close to the Xposed with each passing second. Now we'll open Xposed and we will see that it is active. Ta-da! See you next time.